For example, AR contact lenses can provide Jarvis-like virtual assistants. AR contact lenses are on the verge of becoming a mainstream technology. They can recognize people's faces and display the words they speak as subtitles. They can zoom in on objects, provide your health tracking stats, and display text messages. And using image recognition and advanced language models, they can provide customizable text descriptions for anything we look at in the world. People are watching movies and playing video games using their contact lenses, and they're perfect to use as teleprompters when giving a speech or providing a musical performance. Additionally, virtual assistants can now fully integrate with these lenses. They can offer you detailed suggestions throughout each day in the form of text overlaid over your vision, and they can analyze the visual data from your lenses and offer useful commentary. For example, they can let you know if someone is lying to you or what a person might be thinking and feeling based on their body language. Additionally, they'll notify you if a rare product you're interested in is being sold in a store nearby. They can offer 3D presentations of how you might achieve your goals. You can even get an estimate of your chances of achieving certain outcomes before taking any action. Likewise, contact lenses are in the beginning stages of integrating with brain-computer interfaces. This would allow users to use their thoughts to generate text, images, and videos to overlay on their lenses. Number 2, 3D holograms are becoming a primary source of communication. AR devices can display photorealistic holograms of users as they speak with each other. This is possible thanks to AIs that can predict what people look like from every angle when provided enough reference images. This technology is being used for casual conversations, business conferences, online presentations on social media and VR networks, and more. It's become a relevant alternative to podcasts and videos on video sharing platforms. There are also expensive booths that people can buy to place in their home to generate the most realistic holograms possible. They come with multiple high-resolution cameras, custom depth sensors, and groundbreaking light-filled displays. Many people consider them advanced versions of Google's Project Starline that was first showcased in the 2020s. People can also have their virtual assistants appear as holograms, and these VR assistants can have appearances and voices of characters from some of the most popular movies and shows. Disney is currently selling holograms for characters such as Iron Man, Wolverine, and Deadpool, while Warner Brothers is selling hologram versions of Batman, Superman, and Wonder Woman. Number 3, 3D holograms are becoming a substitute to videos. Instead of watching 2D videos, many people are choosing to watch 3D forms of entertainment. Using AR lenses, glasses, and other devices, users can watch 3D scenes and have the ability to rotate and enlarge those scenes with simple hand gestures. Thanks to advances in AI-generated videos and holograms, users can also change any aspect of most 3D scenes. For example, they can replace actors, change the voices of characters, change the weather, and more. Entertainment studios are rapidly emerging to offer this type of entertainment. Advanced generative art platforms can also convert videos created in past decades to 3D hologram versions as well. Students are also able to watch 3D representations of lectures by professors and teachers right in their living room. Number 4, full immersion augmented reality is emerging. Using AR glasses, AI-generated video, and voice commands, you can change how any environment and person looks to you. For example, when you look in the mirror, you can see a photorealistic version of yourself that has six-pack abs and looks like a movie star. When you walk outside, you can have the environment look completely futuristic to you with towering megastructures and flying cars all around you. Similar to the movie The Matrix, you can look around and see computer code all around you. And if you visit the Rome Colosseum, you could see all of the columns standing upright as they did almost 2,000 years ago. Thanks to dramatically higher computation and AI techniques, these representations are far more convincing than what was possible in the 2020s. In the coming decades, the seamless changing of how reality looks to us will only get more realistic, detailed, and fluid. Number 5, AR smart mirrors are growing in popularity. These mirrors can display a wide range of information, including the weather, unread emails, text messages, your projected body fat percentage, and minor changes of your hair and skin over time. You can use these mirrors to determine how you would look if you were to lose or gain 20 pounds, had different hairstyles, different clothing, and more. People often use voice commands and a touch screen to control these mirrors. Using these smart mirrors, you can also have conversations with a photorealistic virtual assistant, and you can even remove backgrounds so that you can view yourself in completely different environments. Number 6, holographic medical care is growing in popularity. Instead of physically visiting a doctor for multiple appointments, you can speak with holographic representations of those doctors. As they speak with you, they can display 3D simulations of your body organs and systems to give you a clearer understanding of their observations. Number 7, AR provides 3D representations of battlefields. If you're a soldier on the battlefield, your AR device could display enemy locations, instructions from superiors, and areas where you can find the most safety. If you're being fired at by an enemy, AR devices can automatically display the locations where enemy fire is originating when you need to take over a strategic area on the battlefield. Arrows and icons could guide you toward that location. You'll even be able to see through hills and walls as you navigate through a battlefield. All of this would be made possible because of drones flying above that are analyzing the terrain. Likewise, high-ranking military officers at command centers can view the status of battles in real time. They can let you know if an enemy squad is advancing toward your location. A virtual assistant hologram can then provide the best strategies to surprise and flank those enemies. Number 8, people are starting to record their lives using AR contact lenses. It's getting more and more difficult to know whether someone's wearing these types of lenses. This is especially the case for the thinnest and most expensive versions. People are starting to record the world through their eyes and broadcast to streaming services 24/7. And law enforcement and spy agencies are frequently using these types of lenses during investigations. Because there are so many people recording the world with their glasses and contact lenses, it's becoming nearly impossible for anyone to commit crimes in public and get away with it. Number 9, AR-enhanced windshields are now mainstream. These automobile windshields provide dynamic navigation, real-time traffic updates, and obstacle detection. Even more interestingly, they provide real-time translation of road signs when you drive in a foreign country. By this point, Level 5 autonomous vehicles are also widely adopted. The real-time information that these windshields provide offer additional reassurance to people who use the autopilot features in their vehicles. Thanks for watching.
Вот нам танцы мои слов. Я творюсь в свой мир, ломаю устои. Не сдамся, не сломлюсь, я воин идей. В моем сердце огонь, в глазах яркий свет. Я иду напролом сквозь тернии к звездам. Он закрой мой девиз, мой путь неустанный. Он такой, я качаю